Now, it's the executive chef of Sima na nakilala sa kanyang world-class Mediterranean and Greek cuisines ang magpapasiklab naman ngayon sa kusina. Chef Robbie Goco.
Ngayon, ang lulutuin ko para sa inyo ngayon ay isang dish na natutunan ko sa isang matandang babae sa Greece na she's been cooking this her whole life. This is a very traditional Greek dish. At wala akong ginawa, wala akong binago. Ito yon, ito ang pinaka-original. First, we start off with the tomatoes. Ang kailangan natin ay vine-ripened tomatoes. Matamis dapat. Mamaya, pagsabihin ko sa inyo kung kailangan ng lagyan ng konting asukal to counter the acidity, kung maasim ang inyong kamatis. But first, we have to make a parang crown. Okay? You remove the top.
Sunod na tanggalin ang pinakalaman ng kamatis hanggang sa makagawa ng tomato pocket. Maaari ring gumawa ng bell pepper pockets by doing the same procedure. Sa paggawa naman ng pinaka-filling ng tomato and bell pepper pockets, mag-chop lamang ng red onions, garlic and parsley at ihalo ito sa tinanggal na laman ng tomatoes.
Now we count, no? We're gonna be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So, maglalagay ka ng rice, ang bilang mo, but since medyo malaki to, ang bilang ko usually isang kutsara sa bawat isang pepper or tomato. Pero since medyo malaki to ngayon, bilangin ko na lang siya as 2.
Sunod na ilagay ang sultanas or white raisins, pine nuts, freshly ground pepper, at ang sikreto ng masarap na Mediterranean cuisines, extra virgin olive oil.
I put a lot. Okay. Salt. Now, the tomatoes here, I'm sure is a little sour, so you counter with a little sugar. You mix. Now, ilagay niyo muna lahat ng ingredients together. Diba? And then, saka you mix. Para hindi nyo nakakalimutan, nakikita niya isa-isa. I should taste. Lemon juice.
Mix the ingredients all together. Then ilagay ito sa loob ng tomato and bell pepper pockets.
This will cook in a 190-degree, 375-degree oven Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. But first, before that, we have to put some potatoes. In Greece, they like it with the skin, but ako preferably no. Now we put more olive oil. Why? So that they don't stick together. Then sure that they are all okay lang kahit medyo nakika kasi mag-aano naman yan eh. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna bake it for 45 minutes, and then on the final phase, which is about 15 minutes, bubuksan natin siya. Ba? Para magkaroon ano ba yung kulay? Para magkaroon siya ng konting caramelization. You understand? Okay, there you go. Very hot.
Tingin namin dun kami mahihirapang gayahin. Kasi syempre, in the first place, yung rice na gagamitin, hindi naman namin alam kung gaano karaming tubig o ano yung ilalagay mo. So, parang suntok din yun. Parang kahit papano mahirapan kang gayahin yun. Pero pag nagaya mo, I'm sure mananalo ka dun sa challenge na yan.
Then you put the lado lemon on the end. This is my signature dish. This is paidakya, lamb ribs with yamistes, which is stuffed tomatoes.
Nakwento ko kay Jazz na parang gusto ko yung Greek dish kasi pag na-perfect mo yun, bongga.
This is it! Smart antibacterial dishwashing liquid congratulates Jazz for being the smart, winning cook of the week. Ipagpatuloy mo sana ang iyong pagiging smart cook.